Hello everyone, welcome back to our another video. So in this video we are going to discuss some very important question MCQ related to science chapter 14, that is source of energy. So here we go for the first question. Question number 1. Why is biogas considered a good source of energy? Option A, as it burns with releasing smoke. Option B, as it burns without releasing smoke. Option C, as it burns without oxygen. Option D, none of these option. So the correct answer is option number B, that is, as it burns without releasing smoke. Biogas is efficient and doesn't contribute to pollution, hence it is known as good source of energy. So next question, nuclear energy is a dash. Option A, renewable source of energy. Option B, non-renewable source of energy. Option C, neither renewable nor non-renewable source of energy. And option D, none of this option. So the correct option is option number B, that is non-renewable source of energy. The resource that cannot be renewed once they are consumed are called non-renewable source of energy. So question number 3, which among the following causes environmental pollution? Option A, biomass, solar energy, coal, wind. So the correct option is coal. As we know, coal is a non-renewable source of energy, so it causes pollution. So the correct option is option number C, that is coal. Next question, question number 4. Gas is used in thermal power plants. Option A, uranium. Option B, thorium. Option C, air. Option D, fossil fuels. So the correct option is option number D, that is fossil fuel. As we know, petroleum, oil, and natural gas are collectively known as fossil fuel, and they are used in thermal power plant. So next question, question number 5. Why is biogas considered as a good source of energy? So this question earlier we discussed on the first question. So the correct option is option number B, as it burns without releasing smoke. Next question, question number 6. The component of biogas is option A, uranium. Option B, thorium. Option C, methane. Option D, hydrochloric acid. So the component of biogas is option C, that is methane. Not only methane, but also biogas is primarily made up of methane and carbon dioxide. But it can also contain small amount of other gases, as I have given in this picture. You can see. So next question, question number 7. The gravitational pull of dash causes the rise of seawater during high tides. Option A, Venus. Option B, Pluto. Option C, Sun. Option D, Moon. So the correct option is option number D. Moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the rise of seawater during high tides. Next question, question number 8. The power generated in a windmill, option A, depends on the tower height. Option B, depends on wind velocity. Option C, doesn't depend on wind velocity. Option D, depends on the trees surrounding. So the correct option is option number B. That is, it depends on wind velocity. Wind velocity is responsible for the power generated in windmill. Question number 9. Carbon dioxide causes option A, White House effect, option B, Red House effect, option C, Black House effect, and option D, greenhouse effect. So this is very common question. We all know that carbon dioxide causes greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxides are some of the gases which causes the greenhouse effect. So question number 10, non-conventional source of energy are option A, exhaustible, option B, inexhaustible, option C, neither exhaustible nor inexhaustible, option D, too expensive. So the correct option is option number A, inexhaustible. Non-conventional source of energy are inexhaustible, pollution-free, and also they are less expensive. Okay, so the correct option is option number A. Question number 11. Biogas is also known as fuel gas, ethane gas, gobar gas, petroleum gas. So the correct option is option number C, that is gobar gas. Gobar gas is also known as biogas. It is commonly used for cooking purposes and is also used to produce electricity. So next question, question number 12. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? Option A, wind power, B, solar power, C, coal, D, tidal power. So the correct option is option number C. It is asked non-renewable source of energy. Okay. So the correct option is option number C, that is coal. Coal is considered as a non-renewable source of energy. Why? Because it takes millions of years to form. So let's proceed to the next question, question number 13. Nuclear energy is obtained from the sun, fossil fuels, wind, nucleus of an atom. So the correct option is option number D, that is nucleus of an atom. This source of energy can be produced in two ways. One is fission and the other is fusion. Fission, when nuclei of atoms split into several parts, and the other is fusion, that is when nuclei fuse together. Okay, so next question, question number 14. Solar energy is harnessed using solar cell, turbines, dams, geothermal wells. So the correct option is obviously option number A, that is solar cell. Solar cell made up of silicon. Yes, most important. They convert solar energy to electricity. Next question, question number 15. Hydroelectric power plants generate electricity using the energy of fossil fuels, B, tides, C, wind, D, falling water. Here, hydroelectric. Hydro means water, related to water. So here, obviously, correct option will be D, falling water. Water gains potential energy just before it spills over the top of a dam. The potential energy is converted into kinetic energy as the water flows down, which turns the blades of a turbine to generate electricity. Next question, question number 16. Which of the following is a disadvantage of using fossil fuels? Option A, they are expensive. Option B, they are difficult to transport. Option C, they emit pollutants when burned. And option D, they are not available in large quantity. So the correct option is option number C, that is they emit pollutant when burned. Pollutant like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and also carbon dioxide, which react with water vapor, oxygen, and other chemicals to form acid rain, which is very harmful for us as well as for all the living beings on this planet. Next question, question number 17. Geothermal energy is obtained from the sun, the earth's core, biomass, nuclear reaction. So the correct option is option number B, that is the earth's core. Geothermal energy is heat within the earth. The word geothermal comes from the Greek word geo and thermal. Geo means earth and thermal means heat. Next question, question number 18. The process of generating electricity from nuclear energy is known as nuclear fission, geothermal energy, and the solar energy. So the process of generating electricity from nuclear energy is known as nuclear fission. Okay, that is option number B. Nuclear power reactors use heat produced during atomic fission to boil water and produce pressurized steam. So the steam is routed through the reactor steam system to spin large turbines blades that drive magnetic generators to produce electricity. Question number 19. Which of the following is a disadvantage of using solar power? Option A. It is expensive to produce. Option B. It is non-reliable in all weather conditions. Option C. It emits pollutant. Option D. It requires a large amount of land. So the correct option is option number B. It is not reliable in all weather conditions. Yes, obviously. Cloudy days reduce the amount of electricity you produce. Next question, question number 20. Which of the following is a form of biomass energy? Option A, coal. B, oil. C, natural gas. Option D, wood. So the correct option is option D, that is wood. Biomass is organic, yes, meaning it is made of material that comes from living organisms such as plants and animals. Next question, question number 21. Fuel cells generate electricity using the energy of option A, fossil fuels, option B, solar power, option C, nuclear energy, option D, chemical reaction. So the correct option is option number D, that is chemical reactions. Next question, question number 22. Ocean thermal energy is produced due to option A, pressure difference at different levels in the ocean, option B, temperature difference at different level in the ocean, option C, energy stored by waves in the ocean, option D, tides rising out of the ocean. So the correct option is option number B, that is temperature difference at different levels in the ocean. Next question, question number 23. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but still everybody discuss about the energy crisis. Why? Because option A, energy transform into different form continuously. Option B, usable form of energy is dissipated to the surroundings in less usable forms. Option C, energy is consumed and cannot be used again. Option D, all of this. So the correct option is option number D, that is all of this. Next question, question number 24. Which of the following is the ultimate source of energy? Water, sun, fossil fuels, uranium. Uh, Correct option is option number B, that is sun. Okay. As we know, the sun is the ultimate source of energy. Why? Because it's the primary source of energy for Earth and it's renewable and infinite. Next question, question number 25. Factors which decide whether the given fuel is a good fuel are option A, heat it releases on burning. Option Okay, quite mistake here in the options. Option C, smoke produced by it on heating. Option B, availability of the fuel. Option D, all of the above. So the correct option is option number D, that is all of the above. So all factors uh, are important to check whether fuel is a good fuel or not. So next question, question number 26. Tehri Dam is constructed on the river. Option A, Narmada. Option B, Ganga. Option C, Yamuna. Option D, Mahanadi. So the correct option is option number B, that is Ganga. So another point to note that Sardar Sarovar project, where it is on river Narmada. Next question, question number 27. The largest wind energy farm is established in Chennai, Madurai, Kanyakumari. Option D, Kalpakam. So the correct option is option number C, that is Kanyakumari, and it generates 380 megawatt of electricity. Next, question number 28. The value of solar constant is option A, 1.8 kilowatt per meter square, 1.4 kilowatt per meter square, 1.6 kilowatt per meter square. Option D, 1.2 kilowatt per meter square. So the correct option is option number B, that is 1.4 kilowatt per meter square, or it is also known as, or also we can say as 1.4 kilojoule per second per square meter. Next, question number 29. The device which converts solar energy into electricity is option A, solar cell, option B generator, option C electric motor, option D solar cooker. So the correct option is option number A, that is solar cell. A solar cell, also known as a photovoltaic cell, directly transforms sunlight into electrical energy through the photovoltaic effect. Next, question number 30. More amount of heat energy can be produced in a solar cooker by using option A plane mirror, option B, a concave mirror, option C, a convex mirror, and option D, a glass plate. So the correct option is option number B, that is a concave mirror. The concave mirror used in solar cookers absorbs all the incident sunlight and reflects it to a single focal point. Next question, question number 31. The energy from the hot water springs of the underground used to produce electrical energy, that is geothermal energy, is operational in option A, India, B, Africa, C, New Zealand, D, Syria. So the correct option is option number C, that is New Zealand. There are a number of power plants based on geothermal energy operational in New Zealand and USA, that is United States of America. Next, question number 32. The most common material used for making solar cell is option A silicon, B magnesium, C bronze, D aluminium. So the correct option is option number A, that is silicon. Silicon is by far the most common semiconductor material used in solar cells, representing approximately 95% of the modules sold today. Next, question number 33. Biogas is produced from biomass by option A anaerobic fermentation, option B fractional distillation, option C destructive distillation, option D dry distillation. So the correct option is option number A, that is anaerobic fermentation. It is the process of a separation of solid components from a mixture by heating in the absence of air. Next question, question number 34. The device used for generating electricity from wind energy is called option A wind turbine, option B wind motor, option C wind generator, option D windmill. So the correct option is option number D, that is windmill. Windmills use the wind energy to convert wind energy into electrical energy. Next, question number 36. Which of the following is not a solid fuel? Option A coke, B coal, C charcoal, D kerosene. So the correct option is option number D, that is kerosene. Kerosene is not a solid fuel, it is a liquid fuel. Solid fuel includes wood, charcoal and coal. Kerosene is a liquid fuel. Question number 36. Heat liberated per gram of a fuel is called option A calorific value, option B mass value, option C heating value, option D both A and C. So the correct option is both A and C. Yes, it is sometimes also called as heating value. And point to remember, the SI unit of calorific value is joule per kilogram. Calorific value is the amount of heat energy released when a fuel or other substance is completely combusted. So thank you everyone for watching till here. For such MCQs videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.